No.
Questo.
Ma no, questo è Mauro. Questo c'è scritto
Qua
Mauro.
minchia volevo uccidere.
Mauro Tomati.
È la lezione che non ho seguito.
Ma sarà questo, Carlo e Veronica. Questo.
Lei è Elena.
Simone Elena. Simone Elena. No, ma quello è tutto il nome.
Carlo è uno che va alla magra.
Ma visto molto.
Mi faccio no, non so cosa vincere.
Ah?
Ho invitato un'altra ragazza.
I didn't forget the last one. Yeah.
But you need to put my shoes? You need to put my shoes?
No, we don't balance. 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. The last time, yeah. 5, 6, 7, go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? 5, 6, 7, go. Busca. Toma. Vírgula. Mata. Pa. 5, 6, 7, go. Puxa. Toma. Vírgula. Pa. 5, 6, 7, go. Puxa. Vírgula. Mata. Tá. 5, 6, 7, go. 1. Toma. Vírgula. Pa. 5, 6, 7. Pa. Okay, stay right here. All right, see, coming up. 5, relax. 5. This one is pivot, method, stop. 5, 6, 7, pivot, kick, toma, sa, again. Pivot, kick, step, stop, again. 5, 6, 7, pivot, hit, again. 5, 6, 7, go. Hit, again. 5, 6, 7, pivot, toma, kick. Again, so, aquí, kick, step, yeah, again, 5, 6, 7, go, 2, 3, 4, 5, again, 5, 6, 7, go, again, 5, 6, 7, go, toma, alright, so you go slow, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go, 4, kick, stop, again, 5, 6, 7, go, 4, stop, from the top, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, mato, step. Again. 5, 6, 7, oh yeah. Again. Again. Ayo. Mata. 5, 6, 7, go. Toma. 6, 7, mata. E ta. Cha. Ayo. Kick. Ta. Pa. Ooh. Only the second one. Again. 5, 6, 7, go. Pa. Kick. Yeah, 5, 6, 7, go. 5, 6, 7, go. Yeah, so I kick, and then you put the 1, 5, 6, 7, you go. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. Come on, yeah, from the top now. 5, 6, 7, mata. Come on. Irregular. Ma. Okay, so now, when we go, Hey, we go, 5, 6, 7, yeah, again, 5, 6, 7, go. Yeah, aquí, Eva. 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, come. Yeah, again, 5, 6, 7, go. 8, yeah, again, 5, 6, 7, from the top. 6, 7, come on. Yeah, okay, so after that, probably you're gonna stay like this, but I'm gonna check what's best. 5, 6, 7, Toma. Alright, so now 5, 6, 7, hit. Puxa. Mata. Aqui, toma. As embora. Let me see. 5, 6, 7, go. Toma. Good. Yes. Toma. Don't forget to put your feet after that. Pa, 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 and the lady's right here. So that way you're making a do the finger right there, yeah? Again. 5, 6, 7, go. Yeah. 5, 6, 7, go. Good. Push up. Mata. Ali, mata. Gazão. Toma. Yeah, okay. All right. So, pratica this one. Pratica, Carlito. Pratica. Yeah. We cannot make the mistake like the one before, man. Yeah. Circular right here. Do the circular right here so you can come back. Exactly. 6. You're doing that. No. Aquí. Puxa. Retroceso. Replace. Retroceso. Place. Down. 5, 6, 7, and go. Puxa. See? You're doing the cha-cha going. No. After this one, yeah, they're right here. The shoes are right here. The shoes are right here, love. There you go. Toma. Puxa. Back. No. Here. Yeah, again. Toma. Puxa. Back. Here. No, Carlito. No. Look at my position. Exactly. Yeah, when you do that, you're gonna fall. Again, go. Toma. Push up back. Here. Yes. And no, here. And then just come back to do the retroceso right here. Then you continue. Cha, cha, cha. Again. Mata. Good. Push. Back. Retroceso here. Yes. Yes. Continue. Now marca. 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 Now down. Puxa. Stop. Yeah? Okay. Let me show you the move right now. Just 1 second. So that we can break the move. Now pay attention. Pa, pa, toma. Puxa. Retroceso. Come back. Ta, 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 ta. Yeah? So, again, on the beat now. 5, 6, 7, boom.